Rising global tensions are beginning to ripple into the daily lives of ordinary Fijians, with growing concern over the potential increase in the cost of basic food and household items. This follows a recent warning from the Fijian Competition and Consumer Commission, which highlighted that instability in the Middle East could disrupt global supply chains and drive up import costs that are often passed down to consumers. Separamawarua with this report.
At the supermarket today, shoppers and vendors expressed concern about what another price hike could mean for already stretched household budgets. Gere Numataiwalu of Lami believes more support is needed at the national level. For others, the timing could not be worse. Others say the situation highlights how vulnerable consumers are to global events beyond their control. Meanwhile, Director of Fiji Council of Social Services, Vani Ratanasinga, says proactive steps are needed to cushion the impact on the most vulnerable.
For families, we expect that costs will increase. So it will be good to spend some time as families to sit down, look through your budget, do an exercise of prioritization in terms of expenses, perhaps look at needs first, know how to say no sometimes, when there are obligations that are required of us. We live in these particular contexts where some of that can become perhaps a challenge. So know how to say no to some expenses that may not be necessary at this time. Prioritize children and the most vulnerable in your families first. Look at water, look at food.
She's calling on government to implement stringent measures to help ease the pressure, particularly for low-income households who are often the hardest hit during economic shocks. Eparamwa Rua, Fiji One News.